So hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to turn off the beeping sound on the Frigidaire microwave. This is above the stove here. So if you have the same model, this model, it's FGMV175QFA. That's a Frigidaire model. This model might not be the same as yours, so make sure it has the same layout here, right? 2 seconds. So it's gonna make that sound, right? You can hear that. Then if you don't open the door of the microwave, it's gonna beep every 10 seconds. It's very annoying because you know that it's done cooking, and so but you're just busy and you don't have time to open the door, and it's gonna beep again. You're gonna hear. See, it's gonna do that every 10 seconds. And so if you don't want that annoying sound, make sure that you have the same panel here. So what you do, okay, one option is to open the door, and then it's gonna stop the sound, or you can disable it by going to the user pref here for this model. So you press again, that's for time, press again to go through control lock, and then volume. So you see it says on, right? And then it goes low, medium, high. So if you want to select the high, then when it shows high, you press the start button. So if you want to turn it off, when it says on, you press start here, the start button, and it's gonna turn it to off. Press it. Okay, so you have to time it right, then it's now off. So let's test it. You put 2 seconds, then it shouldn't have any sound. You see, so it stops now. So good. We don't want the sound because it's gonna be really annoying after a while. It keeps beeping forever. Alright, so if you guys have the same model, you can disable the sound by doing the same thing. So if you guys like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.